Okay, this demonstration is of the Purdue Pegboard test. What we're doing here is waiting for your fine dexterity finger movements and abilities. This is the pegboard. These are the pegs. You have your collars and your washers, and this is another set of pegs. Okay, this is a test to see how quickly and accurately you can work with your hands. Before you begin each battery of the test, you'll be told what to do, and then you'll have an opportunity to practice. Be sure you understand exactly what to do. Pick up one pin at a time with your right hand from the right-handed cup, starting with the top hole. Place the peg in there. You may practice if you want. Normally I would allow him to practice, but for the sake of the video, we'll just skip that part. When I say begin, place as many pins as possible in the right-handed row, starting with the top hole. Work as rapidly as you can until I say stop. Are you ready?
Yes.
Begin. And you can stop. And at this point, I would count how many pins that he had, and I'd write that down. That's your score. So timed for 30-second intervals. And now we would repeat the same thing with the left hand. We're going to skip that portion, and we're going to do both hands. For this part of the test, you'll use both hands at the same time. Picking up a pin from the right-handed cup and the left-handed cup, place them in the top hole. And at this time, I will give him a chance to practice. And I'm going to take these back out, put them in their respective places. When I say begin, place as many pins as possible with both hands, starting with the top hole of both rows, working rapidly as you can until I say stop. Are you ready?
Yes.
Begin. And stop. Pretend that was 30 seconds. Again, I will count the pegs and write them down on my scoring sheet. Okay. And this is the last portion of the test. What I want you to do is pick up one pin from the right-handed cup, place it in the peg, and at the same time grab a washer. When you're switching hands to grab a collar as you're putting on the washer, you place the collar as you're picking up a washer, and that's one assembly. And you continue on. Would you like to practice?
No.
We'll give him that chance to practice. And put all these parts back together. Remember, I want you to work as fastly as you can. When I say begin, make as many assemblies as possible, beginning with the top hole. Work quickly until I say stop. Ready?
Yes.
Begin. And what we're looking for here is that he has one hand putting the pieces together while the other one is reaching and he's going back and forth. Okay, stop. Good. And so this would, saying that it were 30 seconds, he would have 2 assemblies.